Ladies and gentlemen, today is a full cage clean day, once a week. Basically, what we do, we take off the old sand, we clean the tray, we clean the inside the cage with a brush. All birds still there, not a problem. Some birds are used to, some of them are getting a little bit agitated. Basically, this is the cleaning process, weekly base, and once a fortnight we take the birds in the spare cage, one cage at a time, and we give a good sponge and soap and water cage clean, just to keep the birds healthy and happy. So, as you can see, this one is clean. Now, we keep the tray there. My birds like to have sand in there, so I'll get some dry cool sand, put in a tray. Is good for the feather clean, is good for their digestion and for their fingers, for their toenails. There we go. So we get the old seed chucked away. As you can see, look at the birds, love it on the sand. See that? And that's how we do, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'll put the feet there. Fresh feed. That'll last them for 2 to 3 days. Obviously, you gotta have fresh water as well. Some of you might already remember my birds drink not tap water, do not drink tap water, they drink bottled water. It is good for their health, for their immune. So, this is the birds now. He's enjoying his feed, same as that. She's enjoying her feed. And it's, so this cage is done. Get put back. Nelly! Get in. Coming this way. Coming this way. Come on. In. Nelly, come on. In. Apologize for that. My dog started barking. So this cage goes back. Another one comes in to be cleaned and put away. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the process I do. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much and all the best. By the way, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Be happy, everyone.